Videos are a powerful teaching tool, but how do you ensure students are truly engaging with the content? Edcafe AI's YouTube quiz feature lets you create quizzes directly tied to YouTube videos, helping students focus, process key ideas, and demonstrate their understanding. Plus, it's interactive, which keeps students accountable and actively listening while giving you instant insights into their progress. So I'm going to show you guys how we can turn this YouTube video based on how to solve a Rubik's Cube into a YouTube quiz. Now, there's lots of ways to solve a Rubik's Cube. However, this YouTube quiz will take this information from this exact video and turn that into a quiz. So as you guys can see, we have lots of different chapters in this video about the different ways to solve the video. So we have the white cross to start, and then going by our layers and a top cross. So let's go ahead and copy this YouTube video link and check out the quiz that we can create from it. So when I go to create new, I'll click on YouTube quiz, then we can just paste in our YouTube link. And you'll see a quick preview of that video once it's loaded up. From here, you can choose the question type, multiple choice, short answer, or a combination of the two. And then you can also add in your student's level. Let's just add our 6th grade here. And then, of course, you can add any standards into this video if needed. However, I'm just going to leave this part blank and we can generate our YouTube quiz. So as the quiz is generating, you can take a look at all of the different questions. Just note that you can feel free to edit these questions. You can edit the question, also the answer choices as well, in addition to that explanation. So this explanation is what the students will see when they are participating and actually taking this quiz. So you can always add or adjust as needed. And as you're scrolling through, you can see that it's really taking pieces from the video. So we have the white piece that's in the middle layer, along with different sequences of moves, and it even asks specifically, I believe this top question was the first step according to that video, which was the white center piece, which we saw when we did that quick preview. If you're scrolling through and you see that there's not a question in there that you would like to ask, you are more than welcome, in addition, to add some additional questions. When you add questions, you can do a blank, or you can have AI assist you in that question. But if we add a blank question here and we want to say maybe what was the last step to solving the Rubik's Cube, you can actually have AI assist you in generating these answer options, which is usually the most time-consuming part. So it will take the information from the video, and even though I asked the question, the AI can help me generate those answer choices and the correct answer in those distractors, along with that explanation and feedback. Once the quiz looks good, we can go ahead and save it, so then that way we can add it to our students, or send it to our students, so then that way they can participate. Once your quiz is saved in your library, you'll see all of the different options up here at the top. Of course, you can export this into your desired format, but the easiest way to send this to your students is just to click on this assign key. They can either scan this QR code, or you can copy this link and share this link with them, so then that way they can go ahead and participate. Once students paste in the link, they can add in their name and take the quiz. So they'll see the video on the side that they can go ahead and give it a quick watch as needed. And then you can continue, the students can continue taking the quiz. So let's go ahead and just fill in some options here. Once students submit their answer choices, they'll get a quick feedback preview about how they did, a score, and they'll be able to scroll through and see all of the questions and if they got it correct or incorrect, and the explanation for each question. That way they get instant feedback on their quiz to get their results. Back on your teacher side, you can also showcase and see how the students completed the quiz. So in this responses icon here, you can take a look and see how your whole entire class did. This one will give you a quick overview of how everybody did in this quiz. Otherwise, you can always go participant by participant and take a look at their results. That way you can see that individual progress of each student. And then lastly, you can download the report. This will download an Excel file for you to view all of your students' results in one place. With Edcafe AI's YouTube quiz feature, you're not just having your students watch a simple video, you're turning it into an interactive experience. To continue creating quizzes based off of any topic, text, web page, or a document, take a look at Edcafe AI's regular quiz tool.